come before you today. There's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name and thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All you've done in my life.
Ikaw kumuha dyan. Kay Doni ito gusto niya. Oh. Ano ba yung maanghang nito? Wala. Yung maliit. Cheesy. Ay, oo. Ikaw gusto mo? Oh. Sige na. Ito sa akin. Ano na? Alin? Ito? Asan?
Ate yung pan...
Water.
Ate
Ay,
yung...
mahal. Ano to? Ano to? Honey yan.
Honey bara?
Oo.
Ayun naman din.